Welcome today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to activate the Hey Google or Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Google application. Right there on the down right corner, tap to the more icon and go to the settings. Here tap to the voice section, and here just you'll see the voice match. Go there and just to turn on the Hey Google tab once on the switcher. Here tap to the next, click yes I agree and continue. And as can you see, our Hey Google option is activated now. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.